life, man. Growing up, a nigga really had it all. Never went through the struggle, nigga, all I did was ball. Had money out the ass, so I stayed at the mall. But when Willie Mae died, it felt like I lost it all. So now I'm all alone. I'm out here running the streets, and a nigga 18, feeling grown. Got this money on my mind, I gotta shine. Gotta make my mama proud, gotta make my mama smile. So nigga, I'm trying to get it like never before. Pussy niggas trying to kill me, but they know I ain't a hoe. Got that 9 in my lap with that chopper on the floor. And if it run up on me wrong, that shit will be up to your throat. And I'm the youngest nigga killing shit, the youngest nigga in the neighborhood on some foolish shit. Got these hoes on my dick and they be on some groupie shit. I don't really give a fuck, cause niggas know I do this shit. Finna take over the game with no hesitation. Niggas worried about a bitch, I'm focused on my destination. I'm chasing my dream, but I know I gotta be patient. These bitches want some fame, that's why they blowing me up daily. It's crazy, I gotta get it how I live. Them lonely nights when my daddy keep me at the crib. I was running the streets, but that's how I learned life was real. And I was doing anything just to get a deal. Now my daddy want me to change, praying that I don't be another victim of the game. Trying to not end up like my cousin locked in chains. Don't really give a damn, cause this shit coming from my brain. Man, this shit is insane.
This is my life, I'm ready for a change. Niggas steady hate, throwing dirt up on my name. I'm tired and I'm stressing cause I'm feeling all this pain. I just wanna deal so I can make it out the game. This is my life, I'm ready for a change. Niggas steady hate, throwing dirt up on my name. I'm tired and I'm stressing cause I'm feeling all this pain. I just wanna deal so I can make it out the game.
No Luca Brasi, but I'm doing this in the meantime. I wanted money, cars, and clothes, so I start to grind. Me and my nigga live by the code, so we respect the game. But seem like when they ain't giving any niggas change. Niggas lying on your name to get some fucking fame. My girl pregnant, but how? She only gave me brain. Mama got behind on the rent and pay the bills. Daddy wasn't doing shit, she kicked him out the crib. Where you was at when I was low on funds? No money to pay my rent, couldn't even take out my son. Niggas out here in this world killing each other for no reason. Trying to impress a female when you should be impressing Jesus. Every day somebody hating on me for no reason. Is it cause I'm shining throughout each and every season? My time coming, but I'm patiently waiting. Praying to God, hoping that he don't take my life away. But I'm just sitting back, laying low a little more. Our time is coming, me and my nigga, we finna blow. Boy, yeah, nigga, I ain't forget about you. Hit me up if you need it. Boy, you know I got you.
This is my life, I'm ready for a change. Niggas steady hate, throwing dirt up on my name. I'm tired and I'm stressing cause I'm feeling all this pain. I just wanna deal so I can make it out the game. This is my life, I'm ready for a change. Niggas steady hate, throwing dirt up on my name. I'm tired and I'm stressing cause I'm feeling all this pain. I just wanna deal so I can make it out the game. So I can make it out the game. So I can make it out the game. Yeah.